All right, so variables on both sides, just solving these equations. Basically, these will be your steps. Sometimes you don't have this step, sometimes you don't have this step, but you will probably always have this step. So starting off with the easy ones, you just do inverse operations at the beginning. I don't know if you hear my daughter. So starting off here, just basic algebra, get x by itself. I'm going to get rid of the smaller x first. So minus x, you have 3 equals 9 plus 3 minus 1 is 2, x. Then subtract 9 from both sides, you get negative 6 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2, and then you get negative 3 equals x here. So if you were to plug this back in, you have negative 3 plus 3 equals 9 plus 3 times negative 3. Are these equal? Yeah, that's 0. That's 0. So yeah, this works. That's the answer. So that's just inverse operations. Sometimes you'll have somewhere you have to combine like terms. So actually here is one where you need to combine like terms. So before we split it up and work through it, x minus 5 stays the same, negative 8 stays the same, and then these two we need to combine. Positive 3x minus 3x is 0, so it actually combines to 0x, which we actually don't need to write down. So from here, it's an algebra problem. So get x by itself plus 5 here, plus 5 here, x equals negative 3. And then if you plug that into here, it does work. Yeah, because these will cancel out. Negative 3 minus 5 is negative 8, which is right there also. So you also have some that have distribution and combining like terms. So let's go down to some of these a little bit more complicated ones. Let's start with the not as complicated ones. So this ties in what we did last time. First step is to distribute. So this stays the same. 44 minus 4x equals, and then over here you have the 1 plus 9x. But what you need to do is distribute this negative 6. So negative 6 is being multiplied here as well as here. So 44 minus 4x equals negative 6. Negative 6 times 9 is negative 54, so negative 54x. Then now it's an algebra problem. So let's get rid of this ugly negative one. Plus 54x plus 54x. 44, negative 4 plus 54 is 50. Let me know if I'm going too fast. Negative 6. Next thing I'll do is subtract 44. Okay, let me get the calculator out for this one. So negative 6, oh, wait, that's negative 50. So 50x equals negative 50. So that means x equals negative 1. Interesting, let's check it. So 44 minus 4 times x equals negative 6, 1 plus 9 times x. Okay, if we put negative 1 in here, negative 1. So over here on the left, it's going to be 44. That's going to be 40. No, hang on. 44 plus 4. Over here, it's going to be negative 9 plus 1 is 8. So negative 6 times 8. Negative 8. All right, because negative 9 plus 1 is negative 8. So this is 48. Negative, negative make a positive, so positive 48. Hey, it works. So that is the answer, x is -1. Hopefully it makes sense. Okay, so number 8 here has all 3 things. You have to distribute, then you have to combine like terms, then you have to do inverse operations. So last example that I'll do with y'all, unless you want more, but they're kind of all the same. So first I'm gonna write down what stays the same. Here's the 3k minus 9 plus k equals -27 plus k. Okay, so all this is the same. What we need to do is distribute this 3. So 3 goes here to 3k, and 3 also goes here to -9. There we go. So let's do some simplification here. This becomes 9k. This becomes -27. And everything else is the same. Plus k equals -27 plus k. Excuse me. So next, let's combine like terms. 9k and k will get you 10k. Then that -27 is still here. Then this -27 plus k is over here. Okay, we have our algebra problem now. So let's do minus k minus k. You have 9k minus 27 equals equals -27. Then 27 plus 27 is 54. So plus 27 plus 27, you get 9k equals 54. Oh wait, what am I doing? That's 0. K equals 0, so k equals 0. Oh, funny. Let's see if it works, or maybe I made a mistake somewhere. 3 times k minus 9 plus k equals -27 plus k. And k is 0. How interesting. Okay, so essentially, this goes away, this goes away, this goes away. 3 times -9 is -27, which equals -27. It works. Cool. K equals 0. This is what we're doing today. Oh, somebody's in the waiting room. I forgot to turn on notifications for that. So this is basically how that works. This last one has distribution, combining like terms, and inverse operations. Number 7 over here had distribution and inverse operations, and then those 2 at the top were just inverse operations. Oh yeah, my son doesn't like it either. So I'll leave the screen right here. If these are helpful, you can take a screenshot of them, or you can take a picture of it with your phone. Any questions? I need to make sure I've got everybody down who's in here. Got you. Yeah, so that's your last assignment of this week, and then that's also your last assignment of this unit. So, oh, I'm gonna stop this recording.